Hello students, today we will learn decimal fractions. The numerator is less than the denominator. Like 3 is a small number and 10 is a big number. 5 is a small number and 10 is a big. What are decimal fractions? The answer is the fraction in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions. Here we take 10 as a base number. Now we will make a building block of 10. If you multiply 1 by 10, it becomes 10, and if you multiply 10 by 10, it becomes 100. Similarly, if 100 is multiplied by 10, it becomes 1000. We have already learned the digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We also know place value. For example, your friends tell you to keep number 1 in the house of tens. Number 2 is kept in the house of 100 and number 3 is kept in the house of thousands. Then the number shows 3 to 1 0. Whole numbers mean those that do not contain any decimals. We usually put the whole numbers before the point. We put them right to left as ones, tens, hundreds, or thousands of houses like this. In the case of decimal, we will put the numbers from left to right after the point. It always starts with the 10th room. This means that the first room will be in the 10th and the second room will be in the 100th. The third room will be the 1000th. Now if we divide 1 by 10, 100, 1000, then it will be like this. 1 will divide 10. That means 1 will be placed in the house of 10. We already know that 1's room is for the point. So a point will be placed before the 10th house and 0 will be placed before the point. Like this. Then the answer is 0.1. Similarly, if 2 is divided by 10, 2 will be placed in the room of the 10th and the point will be placed before 2. The answer is 0.2. Now we will divide 1 by 100. 1 will be placed in 100th's room. Then we will keep 0 in all the rooms except the room of ones. Because we know that the room of ones will always be kept as the point. Then the answer will be 0.01. In the same way, let's divide 2 by 100. 2 will be kept in the room of the 100th because it is being divided by hundreds. Similarly, the room on the 10th will be kept 0. Then answer will be 0.02. Now we will learn what to do if we divide 60 by 100. The numerator has 1 0 and the denominator has 2 zeros. Since there is 1 0 in 60, we will cut 1 0 above and 1 below. So now we have 6 by 10. We will keep 6 in the 10th room because 6 divided by 10. Then the answer will be 0.6. Now we will divide 1 by 1000. Then 1 will be kept in the room of the 1000th room. 0 will be kept in the room of 10th and 100th. Then the answer will be 0.001. Now 100 will be divided by 1000. 100 has 2 zeros and 3 zeros in thousands. Since there are 2 zeros in 100, 2 zeros will be cut from the top and bottom. Now there will be 1 by 10. 1 will be placed in the 10th room. Then answer will be 0.1. This time, students, we do something a little different. Divide 123 by 1000. I will keep 1 in the 10th room. I will keep 2 in the 100th room. 3 will be kept in the 1000th room. Because we know that all the digits after the point are placed from left to right. This means from the 10th room to the 1000th, etc. So the answer will be 0.1 to 3. Let us learn about decimal numbers greater than 1. 2 whole 65 by 100. Here 2 is a whole number, so we keep this number aside. Now we have 65 divided by 100. 6 will stay in the house of 10 and 5 will stay in the house of 100. The point will be placed before 6. The whole number is always placed before the decimal point. So 2 will place before point. The answer is 2.65. The same as 3 whole 75 by 100. Here 3 is also a whole number. We keep this number separate from the fraction number. 75 divided by 100. This means 7 will stay in the house of 10 and 5 will stay in the house of 100. The point will be kept before 7. The whole number 3 is also kept before the point. So the answer will be 3.75. Decimal to fraction. 5.8. 5 is the whole number. 0.8 means we know the 10th house is placed after point. So 8 keep in the 10th house because after point only 8 number is staying. It means 8 divided by 10. Then if we take out the point between 5 and 8, the result will be 58 divided by 10. Now we check the answer. 58 divided by 10. 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. 8 cannot be divided by 10, so we put a point after 5. For point, we can add a 0 after 8. 10 multiplied by 8 equals 80. 0.032. 0 is a whole number. We know 0 has no values. After point 0 keep the 10th house, 3 keep the 100th house, and 2 keep the 1000th house. So it will be 32 divided by 1000. 8.089. Same as 8 is a whole number. If we take out the point, after a point there is a 1000th house. So it will be 8089 divided by 1000. So students, in the next class we will learn fractions in words, decimals to fractions, more. Expanded form, standard form, like decimal. There are some problems with practice at home. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you.